ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fabricate Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives Restaurant bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
Hakabayde berkatem Metor usumbut Menteri Rambak Kejalau la ong baka sorkar kala persyang ban penipo ipieng ya gani kejaka nrei ke jingsa dien joka kam ban ya penbek ya gani kadai namar ba kadai ka kam ka balajan kot sun post na menta kum tau la kentu ya ki pai ba kam tam ki seng balang kum jo ki senjuk ki rang ba snong bagi dai ban sungthu ya gani kamat kham janai khnang ba onla ban ya poisha ka bakut sundon Daina kata kadau baka sorkar kalatung ya ka high level committee ka ba hadok kini ki khlemat kadang yai bot dien klem shong thai ban yono ya ka rai ka bakut
Nata ki don chu ki issue hakawede bat ka issue jong ka them motor hakawede na kamanta kumno bangin beautify ya ka theka jaka ka ba niyo I kum ba kalong manta kalalong kum ka slum area te na kadau kum pi kini ki de issues ke batman these issues were there, I think, for not less than 4-5 decades. I think people need to understand one thing, that we need a permanent solution to this, not a temporary solution. We want a permanent solution. That's why the government, that time in 2018, has constituted high-level committee under my chairmanship. See, this issue is very much alive. We are working out, we don't sleep, and we are not idle at all. Because as I said to you, there are so many issues where we need to sort it out and to resolve the issues. And one of the issue is, as I said to you, the ownership of that plot. Ownership of that plot. So therefore, I would urge, request all the citizens of the state, be it NGOs, be it the Sunjuk Kinong Sunsharshnong, or be it the permanent residents of Megala, bear with us, because now we are working it out, and I am sure very soon we'll be able to submit the report as mandated by the notification issued for the high-level committee. Well, it may happen very soon. It depends, as I said to you, on the document where the draft document is being prepared. And you need to understand one thing, because this agreement needs to be signed by 3 parties. One is SAM of Malay, number 2 is Khasil's Autonomous District Council, and number 3 is the state government. So we need to carry along with all this, institution. Once this is done, then high-level committee will sit down, and then we will submit the final report to the government.